Welcome. In this video we are going to see how to find the Laplace transform of function multiplied by powers of t. So here is the statement. If suppose the Laplace of f of t exists, then if your function is multiplied by t raised to n means t square, t cube, anything, then we can find its Laplace transform by using this formula, minus 1 raised to n dn upon ds raised to n Laplace of f of t. Means we have to take the derivative of that Laplace of function. Okay, so let's say an example. If suppose this is a function, we have to find the Laplace transform of t sin 4t. So by the property here function is multiplied by t, so we can use the property t raised to n f of t equal to minus 1 raised to n d raised to n upon ds raised to n Laplace of f of t. Okay, so here by the property Laplace of t sin 4t will be then minus 1 raised to, here power of t is 1, minus 1 raised to 1 d upon ds, n is 1, so first order derivative, and Laplace of f of t, a function other than t, that is sin 4t. And we know the Laplace of sin 4t by the standard result. What is the standard result? Laplace of sin at. What is it? A upon s square plus a square. So according to this, Laplace of sin 4t is 4 upon s square plus 16. And now taking the derivative, minus 4 is a constant term, we can keep outside, d upon ds. And now here function is present in denominator only, so I can write this as, okay, I can shift this denominator in numerator by taking its power negative, and here I can apply the derivative. Standard result, derivative of x raised to n, it is n into x raised to n minus 1. So if I use this result here to find the derivative with respect to s, that will be minus 1 into s square plus 16 bracket raised to minus 2 into derivative of this term, it is 2s. And now minus 4 into 2s minus 8s, and this minus will be plus, so here it is 8s upon this term I can write in denominator s square plus 16 bracket square because its power is negative. So this is our final answer. I hope you understand how to use the property. Let's solve one more example here. Now to find the Laplace of this t cos cube 2t. Here again the function is multiplied by t, so we can use again the property multiplication by t. By the property Laplace of t raised to n f of t is equal to minus 1 raised to n d raised to n upon ds raised to n Laplace of f of t. Okay, now with this property we can write here Laplace of t cos cube 2t equal to minus 1 raised to 1 again because the power of t is 1, then first order derivative of Laplace of this function cos cube 2t. Okay, now here we cannot find the Laplace for this cubic term, so we have to convert this by using the formula cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. So here it will be cos cube theta is equal to cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta, and whole term will be divided by 4. So here by the result then minus d upon ds. Now here instead of theta what is there? 2t, so it will be cos 6t plus 3 cos 2t upon 4 by the result. And now minus 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 is a constant with respect to derivative, we can keep outside, and we have to take here the Laplace of the term. So d by ds, by linearity property again, we can separate the Laplace of cos 60 plus Laplace of 3 cos 2t. Okay, and now taking here Laplace d by ds, Laplace of cos 60 using a standard result. What is the result? Laplace of cos 80 we can write s upon s square plus a square. So it is s upon s square plus 36 plus 3 into s upon, this 3 is constant, okay, and taking the Laplace of this term. So it is s upon s square plus 4. And now finding derivative with the help of using u into v rule, okay, sorry, u upon v rule, because function is present in numerator and denominator also. And the result is, first of all, denominator is constant, derivative of u, minus, now numerator is constant, derivative of v upon v square, that is the result. So using this result here, minus 1 by 4, numerator derivative, denominator is constant, so denominator is constant, derivative of s is 1, minus, now numerator is constant, derivative of s square plus 36 is 2s upon s square plus 36 whole square, plus similarly for this term, denominator is constant, derivative of numerator is 3s of derivative is 3, minus, now numerator is constant, derivative of denominator s square plus 4 is 2s upon s square plus 4 bracket whole square. Now simplify the terms here, it will be minus 1 upon 4, opening the brackets, s square plus 36 minus 2s square upon s square plus 36 whole square plus s square plus 4. So here we have to multiply by 3, so it will be then 3s square plus 12 minus 6s square upon s square plus 4 whole square. And now if we simplify the terms, what we get here, see here, s square minus 2s square means it is 36 minus s square upon s square plus 36 whole square, plus again 3s square minus 6s square means it is 12 minus 3s square upon s square plus 4 whole square. That is our final answer. So this is how we can use the property multiplication by powers of t to find the Laplace of function. I hope you understand the example. So this is one more example that we are going to solve in next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel to get a notification for next video.